friends, so I'm making this installation video of YMG40, which is our Yale push-pull biometric model, recently launched. So this is the front panel, this is the back panel and mortise. So as you can see, this do not have a left hand or right hand version. This is a universal version. The same model can be made push-pull. Currently the setting you can see is push type. So we are pushing the front handle. You can make the change in setting by using this click button. Press the button and this big. Similarly, if you take the back panel, you will find the similar button here. You press the button. One thing to be remembered, your front handle settings will depend on the type of door you're using. If your door is outswing door, the handle has to be pull type. Front handle has to be pull type. If your door is in swing, your front handle has to be push type. And your back handle will be exact opposite of the front handle. So if the front handle is push type, the back handle has to be pull type. If the front handle is pull type, the back handle has to be push type. This is the mortise. This is a two-way mortise, so you don't have to actually change the direction of mortise. You just have to simply install this mortise. Okay, so let us install this mortise on a sample mount for understanding. We take up the pin. Now this pin has three parts. 1, 2 and the third one, a lock for the pin. Okay, now a point to be remembered here is this part will come from the back side. Okay, so this is our back side. So we place this part from here and then this part from the front, and to lock the front part we use this lock. If we don't use this lock, the pin will fall off. So this pin is properly installed. This is our front part and this is the back part. So let's now install the front part. Okay, so carefully route the cable under the mortise, place the pins properly, and fix the front part. Now take the base plate and route the cable carefully through the base plate. And fix the base plate using screws. Now we take the back part. Now as you can see, the front part is a push type, so we have to make this as a pull type. This is already pull type. Okay, let us connect the connectors and the mortise connector. And then let us fix the back panel. Let us put the batteries.
Welcome to the Yale digital world.
And our installation is completed.